In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to green screen in Adobe Express. We'll take a photo, cut out its subject, and place a clean chroma green background behind it so you can composite it later anywhere you like. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. A current browser or the desktop app both work well. Just make sure you're on a stable connection so assets load quickly. Next, sign into your Adobe account. Being logged in ensures you can access quick actions in the editor without interruptions. From the home screen, choose Start New Design. This opens a fresh workspace, but for this workflow, we'll begin with one of Express's automated tools. Click Quick Actions, then select Remove Background. This action is designed for photos and uses Adobe's cutout technology to isolate your subject automatically. Drag your photo onto the upload area. Pick an image where your subject is clear and well lit. The higher the contrast between subject and background, the better the cutout usually looks. After a brief moment, you'll see the background disappear, leaving just your subject. When that preview looks good, click Open in Editor at the bottom of the screen. This sends your cutout to the full editor so you can add a new backdrop. In the upper left, click the search bar. Type green screen background. You're looking for a bright, saturated green that resembles standard chroma key green. That uniform color makes it easier to replace later in video or photo apps. In the results, go to Backgrounds to view options that will fill your canvas. Choose a green background you like, then drag it onto the canvas. Express will place it behind your subject so the cutout stays on top and the green fills the empty space. If your canvas size differs from your photo, the background will adapt to fit, keeping the green consistent from edge to edge. That's the entire process. Open Adobe Express, sign in, start a new design, use Remove Background on your photo, open it in the editor, search for a green screen background, and drag it in behind your subject. You now have a clean green backdrop ready for chroma keying in your next project. Keep your subject's edges crisp by starting with a sharp photo, and aim for even lighting in future shoots to make cutouts look their best. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating.